Hello everyone! Welcome to our tutorial on Fundamental AI concepts for the Microsoft Azure AI 900 Fundamentals certification exam. In this video, we'll explore the basics of AI and its various applications in today's technology landscape. Let's begin by defining AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. AI is used across various domains to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Machine learning. One of the key workloads in AI is machine learning. Machine learning algorithms enable computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Examples include predictive analytics, recommendation systems, and fraud detection. Computer vision. Another important workload is computer vision, which allows computers to interpret and understand visual information from the real world. This includes tasks such as object detection, image classification, and facial recognition. Natural language processing. Natural language processing, or NLP, focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Applications include sentiment analysis, language translation, and chatbots. Document intelligence. Document intelligence involves processing and extracting insights from unstructured text documents such as invoices, contracts, and reports. This workload is essential for tasks like document classification, entity recognition, and information extraction. Knowledge mining. Knowledge mining encompasses techniques for discovering and extracting valuable insights and knowledge from large volumes of structured and unstructured data. This includes tasks like semantic search, entity recognition, and knowledge graph creation. Generative AI. Lastly, generative AI involves creating new content, such as images, text, or music, that mimics human creativity. This includes applications like image generation, text generation, and creative storytelling. That concludes our overview of Fundamental AI concepts for the Microsoft Azure AI 900 Fundamentals certification exam. Make sure to review these key workloads and their applications to ace your exam. Thanks for watching, and best of luck in your preparation.